Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to USTC video update for Thursday 8th of September. Alright, so USTC making that bullish ladder bottom. We're about to make three white soldiers, pretty amazing. And right now let's dive into the daily time frame, and I do see a lot of amazing progress here for USDC. Still my whole term bag is amazing. I mean, I'm just seeing an amazing profit on the long term. But on the trading side of it just a little bit buggy, and right now this is a pattern that we're breaking out of for USDC, so there are good chances that you might be looking for a small retracement down, and that could offer an amazing entry opportunity if it does come down there. And we're looking for an up price of nearly, what do you call this, like a 20% move to the upside. So it could actually come down here. This can offer you an amazing entry down at 4388. Make a little bit of a retest here and then bounce off that retest, and we're good to move to 52 level as well. And yes, that's actually possible because I do think it's a target on the fibs as well. So if I take the top here to the bottom right there, the next impulsive move actually shows nearly a 5443. It can actually go to 5443 because that's the 1.618. You've already crossed the golden ratio, put a tick there, so it's really possible to go up here, and you do even have a pattern showing that it can come down a little bit and then move up to this price level. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on USDC. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.